Hi, welcome back to Turn and Burn UK. As you saw on an earlier post, we're working in partnership with Dremel, and we received a nice little care package. In that care package was the Dremel 8220 and the Dremel 4250. And I thought we'd just do a quick unboxing so that you can see what you get in both boxes and what the differences are. Now these two are both their platinum editions, so they come with some extra bits. So we'll open these up and have a quick look. We've got them both opened. Both of these toolboxes come with a drawer at the bottom to hold all your bits and pieces, all your spares and your consumable. Charging pack for the Dremel. Got the Dremel itself, which comes with a nose light, which is really useful. We've got the spare battery. We've got the detailer's grip, which is attached to the Dremel to give you some more control when you're doing some fine work. We've got the multi-purpose cutting tool. We've got a guard that goes on the front that protects you from sparks when you're using your grinding stones. You've got the sharpening platform that has a 90° and a 45° angle. That's couple of drill bits. We've got all your accessories in here. So we've got the sanding mandrels, polishing compound, assorted grinding wheels, cutting wheels, drill bits. These are heavy duty cut-off wheels, got some sanding pads, polishing mops, some additional polishing mops here of different sizes. And we've got the Dremel Easy Click cutting discs and mandrel there. And we've got the circle cutting guide. So that's what you've got in the 8220. In here we've got all our ancillary bits separately bagged. So you've got your sanding, cutting, polishing, grinding bits and pieces in there. They'll obviously go in these two containers. This one's also got the circle cutting guide. But this one's got the 90° mandrel to allow you to cut, allow you to use your tools at a 90° to get into tight spots. What have we got here? We've got a little collet there. And then moving up to the top, we've got again the detailer's grip. We've got the multi-purpose cutting guide. We've got the Dremel 4250 itself. And we've got the flex shaft to go with that. So that's what you get in the cases. It really depends on what you're looking for from your Dremel. I mean, it's really useful to have the battery powered one if you're going to be working away from a plug socket. But it's nice to have this one that you plug in. It's got a nice long cable on it. It comes with a nice long flex shaft, so that you can use this with a fine grip, so makes it easier to hold. Both of these Dremels have got the easy undo cap. This cap has got a spanner built into the cap itself, and you can use that to tighten up your collet. So you don't need to worry about your spanner. Both of these machines run up to 35,000 RPM and will all take the same accessories. So that's what you get in the boxes. The platinum editions are really good. It's got most of the same bits and pieces. grinder guard comes in the 8220, whereas we get the 90-degree cutter on the 4250. So there you go, that's what you get in the boxes, and you'll see them in action pretty soon. So I hope you found that useful and interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.